pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
fairy cakes. For this you will need 110 grams of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 110 grams of castor superfine sugar, 110 grams of unsalted butter, 2 eggs, some vanilla essence and some paper cases for the cakes. For the buttercream icing you will need 100 grams of butter, unsalted, 220 grams of icing powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of hot water, not shown, some vanilla extract and decorations of your choice, and some food colour. First, beat the eggs. Now sift the flour and the baking powder into a bowl. Add the sugar, the butter, the eggs and a few drops of vanilla essence. Beat together until light and fluffy. Light and fluffy. Divide the mixture equally into 12 paper cases. Bake for 20 minutes until lightly brown at gas mark for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. In a small bowl, beat the butter until soft. Gradually add the icing sugar. I recommend using a wooden spoon to mix it in first. When it's all mixed nicely, add 2 teaspoons of hot water, not tablespoons. Now you can mix it in with an electric hand mixer. Add a couple of drops of vanilla essence, no more. Now add the food colour gel of your choice. Gel is better than liquid because it doesn't affect the icing. And mix that in too. Take a spoon and spread the icing on your fairy cakes. Decorate with some sprinkles. Maybe some silver balls. Like so. And now for the taste test. I think we'll try this one. Fluffy, light, lovely buttercream, very creamy, delicious. Yum.